Hello, my name is Jacob Solis, and today I'm going to be presenting our project called Word of Mouth. Our team lead is John Egan, with our front-end developers Anthony Marin, Mary Valencia, and our back-end developers are Mitch Militezo, Travis Quigg, and Jacob Solis. So for the motivation and problem of this project, we have two different groups. We have our laborers and we have our consumers. So for our consumers, finding good labor and reliable labor that's qualified is often a difficult and trying process. They have to go to multiple different websites, they have to look at different social media accounts, and they basically have to take their own job on finding someone to do their own labor. And for our laborers, this job for them is to make connections in the community, to build their own reputation, and that often takes a long time. So, what if there was a place for workers and employers to find each other more easily? So our solution that we propose is to create a website that will integrate the needs of our employers and our employees together. So the website is going to encourage users to look for work or employees that are willing to do their job. And for our employees, they're going to be able to put their own profiles out there and contain all the projects that they've done and link to all the work that they've done. So what does this mean? This means that our employers are going to be able to see the qualifications of our employees and be able to choose from these profiles. Also, we could have our users and employers to leave reviews for these employees so that later other employers can look and see if this employee fits the quality or qualification for their work. So our key features that we're going to be using in this project are very simple. Our entrepreneurs are going to be able to provide the projects and provide a feedback for those projects. Our machine learning analysis is going to be able to look at reviews that haven't been left with a numerical value and provide a recognition for patterns, whether there be positive reviews or negative reviews. We also have a profile creation page to customize these profiles for our employees. And we also have a search engine that's robust enough to look up certain laborers or certain labor jobs for our employees and employers.
All right, so now I'm going to walk you through a couple of scenarios that different users might encounter while using word of mouth. First, navigate to wordmouth.org. Here you'll be navigated to our landing page. In the top left corner, you'll see an icon that will take you back to the landing page at any time. In the top right corner, you'll see a search icon, a login button, and a profile button. We're going to click the search button for now. All right, so say you need some plumbing done. You're going to go ahead and type plumbing. We're going to hit search. And a couple of plumbers pop up. Mario's the first one we'll see, so we're going to click that. Here, Mario has some work that he's done down here. If we're interested in what people are saying about Mario's work, we'll go ahead and click reviews. Oh, look at that. He has 5 stars. Someone left them a nice review and gave him 5 stars. All right, so another scenario that a user might encounter is they want to check out their own reviews. So we're going to go to login. We're going to sign in as John Carmichael. And this will take you to your profile page. Here you can add more projects, edit your profile, but here we're just going to look at our reviews. Like that, someone's left some reviews for us and things are looking pretty good.
During our journey of coding our website, we learned the significance of what a stack was and how that applied to software engineering role. We learned how to become a cohesive team working together and using agile methods such as Scrum and XP. We also began to use new coding bases such as skitlearn for machine learning. We also began to use Flask, our first time using Python for web development. And during all this, we got an overall sense on how web services can interact to create useful applications for people online.